Today our topic is managerial economics. What is managerial economics? Managerial economics is a study which deals with the application of economics concepts, tools, methods, and theory which are used to solve practical problem of a firm or business. It means that managerial economics is a study that is concerned with the application of economics concept, economics method, economics theories to solve practical problems which are faced by the businesses or firm day to day. Managerial economics, which is mostly are greatly concerned with the management of a firm or a business. It gives it provides guidelines to the manager to facilitate businesses or to facilitate the firms. In other words, we can say that managerial economics, that is the combination of economics that is the combination of economics theory and decision sciences. A point here to be noted is that managerial economics is consists of two main pillars. First pillar is economics theory and second is decision sciences. Now we can say that managerial economics is equal to economics theory plus decision sciences. The combination of both these is called managerial economics. Managerial economics used in managerial skills and decision to making better decision and improving the skills of management or managers. Managerial economics is used in decision making. With the help of managerial economics tools, management or manager can take optimum and better decision. It is used for effective management. Managerial economics is very essential to get the knowledge of managerial economics for effective management. It is used to achieve and maintain the growth rate. With the help of managerial economics, a manager is able to achieve the economics growth, the growth of firm or business with maintenance. A manager is able to allocate his scarce productive resources with the help of managerial economics tools and theories. It is helpful to adopt the price strategy. A manager with the study of managerial economics theories and tools is able to adopt price strategies. It is helpful in forecasting the demand. For any business success, it is necessary to forecast the demand. Thus, the risk of surplus production can be reduced. Another important work of managerial economics is it lead to marketing trending. What is the trend in the market today are currently trending in the market can be judged with the help of managerial economics. Now, a question arises how managerial economics come into play. So, we can say that it is consist of economics theory, theoretical economics, for example, theory for demand, theory for supply, theory for production, theory for utility, and with the practical business knowledge. What is the actual business knowledge which is practically implemented or which can be practically implemented? And plus decision taking ability. It is also more important for the success of business. A manager which have effective decision taking ability can be made his business successful and have competitive advantage over the others with the help of his decision taking ability, effective decision taking ability. By managerial economics, a manager becomes able to optimize their decision making process and improve overall activities in an organization. Activities like hiring, staffing, like controlling quality, like producing output, like taking inputs, cost managements, profit motives, and so on. All the activities can be improved in an organization. These all activities can be organized in systematic way and are improved while a manager is able. Now we move towards the key concepts of managerial economics. Key concepts of managerial economics are as number one, that is supply and demand analysis. Now we have already know that supply and demand both are the opposite forces of market. When supply increasing, demand tend to be decrease. And when supply decrease, demand will be increase. It consists of two things. First, optimal production level. And number two, pricing strategy. Number two, key concept of managerial economics is number two, cost analysis. Cost analysis is the complete study of cost, which is consist of number A, excess production cost, number 2, identify cost driver, number 3, decision which are taken for the resource allocation. It is most important part of cost analysis. Resources, as we know, are limited or scarce, and that are most important to allocate them properly and optimally. Number 3, the key concept of managerial economics is pricing strategy. It is it helps to determine the optimal pricing strategy by number 1, considering cost, number 2, competition, and number 3, considering consumer behavior.